My name is Comrade Emeka Emerole, and I'm talking about leaders, especially union leaders. As a leader in that union, I want to tell you today, you don't run away when there is crisis in the union. That is not the time to run away. You don't run away when there is issue in the union and you are hoping that someone somehow will solve the problem, then you will come back to lead. What kind of a leader are you? What kind of a leader does that? When there is crisis, when there is issue, when there is problem, when there is commotion, when there is, you know, problem everywhere in the union, it's expected, of course. And you, a leader, you abandon the union, you resign, you run away, you disappear, you are nowhere to be found, and you say you're a leader? What kind of leader are you? What kind of leader are you? You don't run away when there is crisis. You don't. You don't run away when there is issue in your union, in your organization, in that association. You don't run away. It's time to stand and face it. You are a soldier. You are at the war front. You are leading people. You should be in front, solving that problem headlong. It's not time to put resignation letter. It's not time to disappear. It's not time to put your phone off. They call you, they will reach you. Oh my. You don't run away. You stay. See, it builds you. It builds, see, as a leader, you develop thick skin. Thick skin that when people, you see, when they criticize you, you run away. You're a weak leader. You are weak. You are very weak. They criticize, they put allegation on you, you run away. What kind of leader are you? They said that money you embezzled it, that person you did that, the other one you did, and you run away. The next thing you tender your resignation because there's crisis. What kind of leader? See where you're going. There is bigger issue. You small union they gave you, small issue you run away, and you want to be a House of Assembly member. You want to contest as governor. You want to be a senator. You want to go into politics. Small allegation. You run away. How? How? A leader. How? You don't run away when there is crisis. That is when you show your bicep, your muscles. That's when you show that you've been trained, that you've been gymming, that you've been exercising your bicep, your power. I can handle it. That is why they gave you the job as a leader. That is why you are elected in that office. That is where you are appointed. That is where you are employed as a manager. Company is folding, you run away. But you cause it to fold. But you run away to another company. How do you think? How do you think they will employ you? But the people that employ, ask that manager, ask him for managerial job. What happened to where you were managing before? Why did you run away? You are running away to another place. When there's crisis, you run away again. No, you don't do that. As a leader, you don't run away. Stay put. Whoever you are, stay. Go through it. When you solve the problem and you feel like living there, you can live. You can live. Not when the problem starts. The next thing is you are the first to run away. You can't handle it. Then why did you accept the job in the first place? You don't need to run away. As a leader, when there is crisis, that is the time to show I can handle it. And you stand in front, be at the forefront and solve the problem. And then you can look back to your people and say, we made it. We solved it. It's not time to abandon and be the first to take off, take to your heel and run away. And you expect somehow somebody, your deputy, your vice, another person somehow will solve the problem. Then you come back and say, I am the leader. Leader of where? The leader that chickens out. The leader that ran away. You don't run away. In your business, don't run away. You are in charge. And then the crisis is tough. Stay. Face it. When you win, you tell the story. See, leadership is not bread and butter. It's not for the weak. See, leadership is for those that are ready, those that have been tested. And leadership will make you tough. And you can lead. And you can say, yes, I was part of the people. Are you not seeing soldiers that fight war? When they talk, then they retire. They say, I was part of the Somalian this. I was part of this. I was part of the people that went to this. They stood, they didn't run away. Somebody told me, say, he that fight and run away lives to fight another day. You will fight another day, but not in that fight again, because you ran away. You go and look for another place to fight, not on this fight, not this particular one. You've run away. People will fight this, and when they fight and win, they celebrate. It becomes their victory. You can't be part of the victory that you didn't stand to face. Those that stood and won will celebrate and will call themselves, yes, we made it. So leaders, do not run away. Do not tender your resignation when it's time to lead, when it's time to show that you can handle it. Don't run away. That's the time we need you. That's the time you are needed. That's the time everybody wants to hear from you. That's the time people need encouragement. That's the time people want to hear their leader talk to them. That's the time the people want to see their leader one-on-one. That's the time the people want to hear, what did the leader say? What did the president say? Oh, I remember Goodluck Jonathan. In the time of Ebola, everybody stood. President Buhari, in the time of COVID, everybody, you don't run away. Governors stood. It's not those that disappear and travel abroad. They were here and they were fighting it till we had that victory. That is what leaders do. You're a leader. Don't run away. Crisis, stay put, solve the problem, and let the people clap that you are their leader, and they can be proud of you. You're a worker. You don't run away in forefront. Be proud you are leading people. Be proud of what you're doing. There is dignity and honor as you lead people and as you work. See, you can like what we are doing. You can share it. You can follow us. You can comment. We are on all social media platforms. Join us. I remain my humble self, Comr Emeka Emerole, till I call your way with more tips. Be good.